How to set up email on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then head over to apps. Search for the application Mail. Once found, simply head over to it. You'll see the option of Mail Accounts, click on it, and then simply click on Add Account. Now from here, if you want to add iCloud account, click on iCloud, or if you want to add Google account, then you can click on Google. Let me choose Google for now, click on it. Now simply enter the email address of the account that you want to add. Once entered, click on Next, and then enter the password of your account. After that, your account will be added. Likewise, if you want to add iCloud account, click on iCloud. Enter the email address of your iCloud. Once done, tap on Next, and then enter the password. After that, your iCloud will be added, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.